This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the screen. Locate the quick-release pin on the strap where it meets the case. This is the first actionable step. Use your fingernail or a small flat tool to push the tiny metal tab toward the strap center while gently pulling the strap away. Once the pin is compressed, slide the strap free. Do the same on the other side so both halves are removed and the lugs are clear. Now attach the new strap. Orient each piece so the buckle sits where you want it when worn. Insert one end with the quick-release pin extended. Compress the tab toward the strap and position the exposed pin tip into the lug hole, then release. You should hear or feel a small click when the pin seats. Repeat for the other half. Make sure both sides align with the watch case and the pins are flush. This ensures the strap won't slip out during daily wear. Finish by pulling each strap gently but firmly to confirm it's locked into the lugs. Adjust the clasp or hole so fit is comfortable. If a pin won't engage, make sure there's no lint or grit in the lug or on the pin. Once done, try compressing the quick-release tab and reseating it. If it still won't click, use a small flat tool to depress the pins slightly or try the other strap to isolate the issue. If problems persist, consider a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.